Talk to me.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is lachelletrends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit is from Asteria hair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as playing makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay y'all, so again, this unit came from Asteria hair, and it came in this bag right here with their logo on it. So let's get into this bag. Of course, we have the hair itself, which I already took out of the pack and got it together. We'll have the details about that in a few. We as well have a wig cap, which is standard. I love when they put a wig cap in there. An edge brush, sis, I really needed one of these. I love when they put an edge brush in, so I don't have to spend my dollar at the store. Some cute wearable lashes, and then one more thing, we have an elastic band, again with their logo on it. Real cute. I love that they do this as well. So let's put all of this stuff back in here and get into this unit. So this is the unit. It is a closure unit, and y'all, it did not come like this. I actually just got done washing it and all that good stuff, so it's just poofy or whatever. This is the original curl pattern, and again you guys, I'll have the details about the curl pattern and everything once we jump further into the video. But it is a 5x5 closure, and I did pluck it. So yeah, that's why it's damp looking, but this is what it's looking like in the front. This is the inside, again a 5x5 closure. We have two combs, one on either side, as well as a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So again, for this curl pattern, real cute. Like, I'll try to insert a clip. If the clip came out good, I'll have it up here to show you what the hair came out looking like from the package. But yeah, this is what we're looking like thus far, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace using my lace tinting spray by the brand Red from my local beauty supply store in the shade medium dark brown. So now I'm going to take my scarf off and then put my wig on. I'm going to get it situated by putting some clips just to clip the hair back and get the hair out of my face. Then I'm going to go ahead and glue the wig down using my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it to seal it in. So now I'm going to tip my lace one more time using my Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm going to place that powder all along the hairline. Then after I get it to my liking, I'm going to go back in with some more Got To Be Glue Free spray along the hairline, and then blow dry it in. So now that the wig is secure, I just want you guys to get a close-up of this hairline because sis, this HD lays, honey. this HD lace. That's all I can say. So now I'm going to begin styling this unit. I want to do a side part. I feel like a side part is just going to be hidden with all this hair and the curls. So yeah, I'm just going to part it on the side. After I get my part to my liking, because I want to do like a little curve or whatever, I'm then going to go in using my wax stick. And this wax stick is new. I got this from ORS. Well, it's from the brand ORS Olive Oil, something like that, sis. But it's a new little wax stick that I got, that I picked up from Target. So yeah, I'm just placing that along the parting space and then going in with my hot comb just to get it kind of sleek. So now for these baby hairs, I'm just going to take some baby hair out on the side. I'm going to cut it, then curl it, then lay it down using some Got2b glue freeze spray. Then I'm going to take some out in the middle of my head. I was going to do the side again, but you can't really see it because it has, this unit has a lot of hair. So I'm just going to do like a little swoopy whoop in the middle of my head and do the same steps that I did for the side. So now that we done touched up everything, we about to get these curls popping using my water bottle that just has water in it and my Cantu curling cream. And I'm going to begin placing water all throughout the hair and then going with my curling cream and just, you know, just rub it through. I'm not going to use a comb or brush or anything. I'm just going to basically finger comb it. This is what the unit looks like. She's cute. She is definitely cute. I love it. Anyways, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. So that was the back. Let me stand up to show you the length. We are fairly long, and I'm 5'7". So yeah, let me push it back up to the front. We are, girl, the unit is cute. Let's get into these details though, girl. So again, this is from Asteria Hair, and it says on their website that this is long curly wig for women, invisible HD lace front. It's 22 inches, a 5x5 HD lace closure. The hair density comes between 180 and 250. They didn't tell me what they sent, so I'm just going to speculate that it's a 200 because sis, this is some really full hair. Like, it's really full. If it was 180, it would shock me. So we're gonna say 200 because it is, again, very full. So we'll go in the middle. It as well says that this is, again, curly hair, natural black. The cap size is medium, 22.5 inches. No, you do not have a choice what the cap size should be. It can be dyed and bleached, shed free, tangle free. It takes 1 to 3 business days to get out to you, and it does say it has a 15-day guarantee policy, refund policy if the item is unused. So that's always nice. So yeah, girl, let's talk about this unit. So it did say it's the medium cap size. However, sis, it fits me very well. I mean, sometimes medium cap sizes can fit me a little snug. I normally tend to get large because my head is a larger size. But this one, girl, I didn't struggle to put it on or anything. So it is big head friendly. The texture of this unit is like very soft hair. It's very curly. So curly hair is just like a lot of tight curls, but it's not crunchy. Again, it's soft. When I first got this unit, the curls again just was very tight, and the ends were a tad bit frizzy, and I think they were only frizzy just because, again, this is just some really tight curly hair. But I did have to go in and put more product on the ends just to like get those tight curls out. So again, it's not necessarily frizzy, it's just a lot of tight curls. So just to have the curl pattern like come out and just bow, you need to focus on the ends of the hair when you're putting the water and the product on, just to make them curly. But after you do that, since they look good, you don't need to trim the ends or anything. They're not bad. You just need to focus your product on the ends just to make the curls pop. But yeah, they're good ends. Nothing alarming or anything. I only received a little bit of shedding. Again, you guys, that's to be expected, especially with this type of hair because it is tight curls. So I only got a limited amount of shedding. Nothing alarming again at all. It's very typical to get shedding. But yeah, you get all of your 22 inches. It's not like it's layered or anything. It's full 22 inches, which I love. I love when they give you just the full length instead of trying to layer it for you. But yeah, so that is the curl pattern and the texture. I almost forgot what I was about to say. But anyway, so let's get into this lace. So girl, you know, one thing about it, people always say that their lace is HD lace, and it's really not, sis. This is HD lace. It looks so, girl, wig wear, lace wear, sis. The unit is bomb. The lace melted so good, and I already knew it was gonna melt good because the lace was very soft and just flexible. I don't know, if you get it, you get it. It wasn't like no hard lace. It was just very flimsy. Just, I already knew it was gonna melt perfect. So yeah, it melted perfectly. I added like my little powder, as you guys saw, and I just love the way that it melted. Girl, I'm gonna go back in and pluck it some more right here. I be heavy-handed on the plucking, so I didn't want to bald it, but girl, as soon as I pluck it a little bit more, it's really gonna look like my hair. But it already looks super natural, super good. Again, it melted very nicely. The baby hairs melted nice. Or melted nice, laid nice. I always judge the hair off of the way the baby hairs lay, if I don't have to do so much for them to stay down. So this is a bomb unit because, sis, I sprayed a little bit of Got To Be glue spray onto the brush and brushed the baby hairs, and it literally laid like it was my real hair. So 10 out of 10 for the quality of this hair and the quality of this lace. It is definitely bomb. Again, you guys, the curls is popping. Everything looks good. I'll have this unit listed in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.